Here is my install of the Midnight Solar surge protection device. And this particular variety is 300 DC, 300 AC. I'm using a Enphase microinverter system, IQ7 Plus, and I'm connected the Midnight Solar to the breaker indirectly, the backfeed breaker here in the panel. So this shutoff box is connected to the backfeed breaker. So it approximates this wiring configuration right here that's recommended by Midnight Solar, where they pigtail off of a breaker, a 240 volt breaker in the panel, and this is almost that because I'm just running a small distance of wires up there. So panel's on, so I got to be careful. So what happened is I attached Midnight Solar green to this bus bar. Then on the line side of this master shutoff, I pigtailed on the Midnight Solar on the line side. The load side is where the PV array is attached, and that is just normal. So the pigtails have to go on the line side. Thank you.